Hello everyone, welcome back. Just doing a quick update video about what is now Tropical Storm Debby. This was just downgraded, so now it is a 70 mile per hour tropical storm instead of a 75 mile per hour hurricane. But we still have remnants of the eye wall here that are still producing some very strong winds. We have some areas up here near Valdosta that are producing some wind gusts possibly all the way up to 80 miles an hour in some spots. But this does have gusts up to 85 miles an hour still. But we have some special marine warnings off the coast here of Savannah. I'm gonna take a look at these real quick. Got some pretty good feeder bands, and yeah, some of this has some rotation. Here's one spot right there. Here's another one back here, and even one right in there. Um, but I think the main one, and there's also some back there. But I think the main one to watch is gonna be this one and this one. As this second one has been getting stronger. This one has been maintaining itself for the most part, but the one behind it has been getting a little stronger. And I do want to mention that there were some tropical storm watches over here that were including places like Dublin and Swainsboro area. Those have also been upgraded to a tropical storm warning now for the chance of wind gusts possibly to 57 miles an hour, as I saw earlier. And they are still saying 8 to 12 inches of rain is possible with locally higher amounts. But the National Weather Service is still saying some areas could get up to 30 inches of rain locally. And then we have some more embedded, stronger areas in some of these bands. So here's Jessup right there. I think we will need to watch for some areas of rotation that could maybe form into here or even there, um, as there is some embedded stronger areas right in there, which is where some of that rotation was. But not gonna really expect too much. I think the main tornadic threat that we will need to watch is currently off the coast. So I mean, all of those areas, those, I mean, even some of these right on the coast, but this whole area, I think, is what we really need to watch. Let's look and see if we have any rotation near Darien. And yes, we actually do. We have a fairly strong couplet right there. And let's take a look at this on Storm Relative. Not Storm Relative. Here we are. Yeah, it's got some rotation in it for sure. And down to the south, we could have some more broad areas as well. But I wouldn't be surprised if there's a water spout ongoing right here near Darien, and if they could add a tornado warning somewhere into here. I would not be surprised at all. And they could actually maybe even make it somewhat more like this. But yeah, I'd not be surprised if we got a tornado warning in Darien within the next few minutes. And then these bands out here, it's gonna be hard to see because they're very far away from the radars. But I mean, you can definitely tell that there is some rotation, and red is not the right color. But you can tell that there is definitely some rotation out here in some of these storms. But I think this one most likely is going to be the main one. If these can continue to get stronger, could get a tornado warning somewhere near Hilton Head. But this storm, the warning box is moving northeast. These storms, because they are in the band, they are moving northeast right now, but they will shortly. Their next warning, if they do make one, will probably be something like this, or maybe even uh, like that. So we will just have to watch for that, as we could get a few tornado warnings to start popping off later today into a little after lunchtime, possibly. So yeah, with that, thank you for watching. That was all just for the quick little update. And I do want to mention, by the way, uh, lots of counties are being taken out power. I mean, all of these areas where you see those dark reds, that's where you could have upwards of almost 100% of the county without power. Yeah, thank you for watching. That's all for this video. And I might make some more videos like this later today, but I will probably have a few more videos of some like conditions outside being impacted by Debbie. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, everybody.